Hey guys! So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat today for my meals as a vegan. I get asked all the time, like, what do you eat as a vegan? So I just thought I would show you guys because it's really easy. It makes me feel amazing and I love it. Something smells like it's burning. Oh, it's a piece of oat. For breakfast, I'm just having oatmeal with some figs, raspberries, and almond butter on top. I'm so ready to eat you. Oatmeal is a really nutritious, yummy breakfast that you can have as a vegan, and you can mix it up with your spices and toppings, which I do every single morning. Lunch is served, so ready for this. So this is just basically a bowl of like a bunch of stuff I just had in my fridge. So couscous, put it in the rice cooker, and then on top we just have a bunch of fresh veggies, peppers, cucumber, carrot, mushroom, and then I had some frozen kale mix that I put on top, and then tomatoes, and pepper, lime, kidney beans, chili peppers because I love spice. For dinner, I was really just craving avocado toast, so I actually just had some avocado, nutritional yeast, spinach on a bagel, and then I had some banana on the side. I got avocado all over my pants, nutritional yeast everywhere. So those are some vegan meal ideas if you guys are interested in the lifestyle. I personally love being vegan. I love making yummy vegan food, and you know, I just feel a lot more balanced and connected living a plant-based lifestyle. So if you're interested in it, definitely stay tuned for more videos. And yeah. It's really easy. Even if you just want to try it, try some vegan meals, go for it. It's amazing. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye. I can't stop listening to Christmas music and it's freaking October. For a second I was going to say, oh, it's July. No, it's not July, it's October. But like, I just love it. Once it gets colder, I'm just ready. I'm ready. Oh my gosh.